In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube comments not showing up. So are you someone that wants to comment on a video, or you want to read comments or reply to comments, but you just can't, it's not allowing you? It's real easy to do. It only takes one setting. So let's go to YouTube, and I have a video here loaded up. And as you see, I can't actually make a comment. I can't see the comment section. So what's going on? What we can do is I'm going to close out of this video here. You want to go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, go to General, and then simply enough, just go ahead and click off Restricted Mode. And then what we can do is back out of here, and it should go ahead and work for us here. So let's go ahead and I'll just pause that, wait for this stuff to load up, and as you see, the comments are now here. So now I can go through the comments, I can see them, I can make a comment, and it's really that easy. If it's still not working, you may just have to close out the YouTube app itself, have it restart, and you'll be good to go. But that's it. That's how you fix those YouTube comments.